Greetings family, Sista Shanice here. Thank you so much for passing by my channel again. I certainly hope that this isn't your first time. If it is though, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the show. A little breezy out here just now, but don't watch nothing. Well family, if you get all your news and information from the global mainstream outlets, you can be forgiven for thinking that Africa doesn't have any factories, Africa doesn't have any business entrepreneurs. You know, you can be forgiven for thinking everything negative about Africa. But actually, that is precisely where I am right now, out in Africa, and I'm telling you, we've got some great business people, they've got factories, everything I want out here. And today, I am going to be visiting a hugely successful Gambian entrepreneur. We're going to be going to one of his factories where he does tomato puree, and then we're going to visit the man himself. So keep it locked, family. Enough things are going. And so I'm certainly hoping that over the next few videos, I'm going to be dispelling some of the myths, you know, that have been put out there about Africa.
And this is Parliament Sao, and with Ibrahim Manjan. We were going to Banjul factory, where you know that is owned by Gaj Global. They do the tomato production. We'll go to the factory, and everybody will see how they do the production in tomato in Gambia here now. So no need anybody to import tomato in Gambia here. We have our own Gambian brand, made in Gambia.
Oh,
yes.
Wonderful. We are now arriving at the factory. Well, in fact, we have arrived at the Dutch Global Factory.
Tomato.
Wow. Wonderful. It's a good sized site as well. A lot of scope for expansion. Good forward planning.
Homemade brand.
Ooh.
Geja tomato.
Ooh.
Homemade brand.
Beautiful. We're just inside the offices. And we can see some wonderful awards on the wall here. Yes. In recognition of his great works and his contribution towards the Gambia. And as we can see, he's even met the Gambian president, Barrow himself, in recognition. And here he is, again with the president.
Mr. No.
Oh, greetings.
That's Mr. No. So Mr. No, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, Mr. No, factory manager of GAT Global Trading Company. You are welcome. Huh?
Thank you so much for welcoming me.
Okay, let's go inside for
Okay. These are your current products?
Yes, available on the market.
Right. So this is your tomato puree paste and
yes.
water. Wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful.
Take sample before going inside.
Brilliant.
It's already on the market. This one is sachet.
Yes.
We have it on box.
Right.
Each box we have 50 sachets inside.
Uh-huh.
This one that's by 1 kg, this one 5 kg.
Yes.
Our new project coming soon
Yes.
is this one. We're just waiting for the blowing machine. We already ordered all.
Yes.
Maybe next month all the machinery will be here in the Gambia.
Wow.
And we're going to start making water
Brilliant.
1.5 liter, 0.6 liter.
Yeah. And where is the blowing machine on its way from?
From China.
From China.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. And one machine for filling these
Yes.
cups also.
Okay.
Soon, maybe next month, we get all the machinery here.
Yes. And the water is obviously Gambian water.
Yes, 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 Gambian water, yes.
That's fantastic. I must say the water here is beautiful. The
Yes,
water that
very,
comes up
very
from under the
beautiful
ground.
water here.
Yeah, it's brilliant. And
This is, as Mr. Ndao said, this is made in Gambia.
yes.
Jeja tomato paste. Safna means sweet, and is 30 per 70 gram, as you can see, by Gut Global. As he said, this one is 1 kilo. 1 kilo tomato paste again. Jeja brand, made in Gambia, homemade.
Oh, how does it
100%.
make you feel to be able to say that this is a
5 kilos.
homemade Gambian
Actually,
product?
I'm so happy because this is pure, it's natural. It's pure natural.
Yeah.
There is nothing like we have to put so many gas and stuff like this. No side effect.
Yeah.
So it's pure, made
Brilliant.
in Gambia.
100% tomato.
100% tomato.
100% tomato.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Great. This is what we got to do. We've got to feed our own people because
Yes.
then we know what goes into the products. If we
Exactly.
import it from abroad, we don't know what goes in it, what additives, what preservatives, what chemicals,
Yeah.
which may not necessarily be good for the people.
Yeah.
So it's awesome that this is being made here. So it looks like we've got some more water here.
Yeah, the small one is coming soon, but this one is still is
available.
already available. Huh?
Ah, can I do a taster and see what it tastes like? Have you got a cup?
Yeah.
Okay, so use this cup, shall I?
So wait.
So here we go. I'm going to be tasting some of the Jeja.
Yeah.
Water.
Water.
Yeah.
Wow. How do you see the water?
Yeah, tastes like water. Brilliant. I needed that too. And as you can see, you know, the staff enjoy the water here as well.
Jeja cups.
Yeah, the JJ cups full of water. Brilliant.
Let me enjoy too.
Yeah, of course. Very nice water.
Wow.
Hey, yes.
In the Gambia,
Great stuff.
government institution and many banks supply them dispenser free, and every month they should take 20 bottles by us. Supply them 20 bottles, mean $1,005 each.
Brilliant, brilliant. What a great initiative. So you've already got all your water customers, you know, across the banks, across the institutions, and of course when people go to the banks and the government offices and they see, you know, Jeja water, they think, oh, that's what I want for my house. If it's good enough for the government, it's good enough for me. Brilliant.
And we bring it up to your office.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful. And again, creating jobs and opportunities for drivers, delivery
yes,
personnel, the marketing. Oh, wow, this is fantastic. This is where it's all happening. So, you're going to have to speak up loud above the machinery.
Okay, yeah, here the toilets, male and female toilets.
Okay.
Inside, they change their clothes all inside.
Right.
Before in the production.
Yes, so
And from here we have our laboratory.
So this is the laboratory area, and what are the plans for the lab?
Yes, the responsible of the lab is inside. That's the lady. This is Kanya.
Nangadef. Nagabechek di. Jabarek.
Okay.
So tell me what.
Tomato.
Welcome. Okay.
Thank you so much. What happens here? First of all, I'm Sista Shanice, and you are?
Okay.
Yes.
I am Kadisaro.
Kadisaro.
Yeah,
Pleased to
quality.
meet you.
So,
You do quality
Yes,
control
yes, I'm
and quality
control
check.
manager, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And what's the quality of the production like?
It's very good. We have a very good product, good, and also we use a very good tomato paste. We normally purchase from China. So the tomato paste that we produce here is very good, and it's produced under very hygienic conditions.
Right.
Yeah, if you go to the line, you'll be able to know that. And we also check the viscosity, the taste, appearance, and a lot of parameters in the product.
Oh, excellent. So it's not actually made from tomatoes that are grown here in the Gambia yet?
No, that one is on the pipeline.
It's on the pipeline.
Yes, yeah, we've not
Okay.
yet started that.
But you will be?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you too.
So we're getting into the factory now to see where it's all made. Wow. This is great. This is what we need in the Gambia and right across Africa. You know? More factories. Brilliant. So let me turn this round.
Three suppliers. We already have one line for taking the fresh tomato from the farmers, but the investment is too high. That's why we began by the first phase. The first phase is to import people concentrated from China, Egypt or Turkey. We have two suppliers. And later in 1 year, maybe after, we'll start this process, taking fresh tomato from the farmers. Huh?
Oh, I'll be
We
back
already
in
have
here.
all the complete line for this. Huh?
Oh, brilliant.
This is the raw material.
Yes.
These drums. This one coming from China. The first one coming from Turkey, and we have one come from Egypt also. We have three suppliers.
Okay, brilliant. So these are the
line for
drums of
taking
tomato.
fresh tomato. Huh?
Okay, let's
line.
go to the first line then that takes
Yes,
the
the
fresh
first
tomato.
phase is here.
Aha.
This tank is the dumping. The first operation is to take the drum and dump inside this tank.
Right.
After mixing, the first mixing is with water. So we have one automatic pump to transfer in another tank.
So this is the very first phase of the production line.
Tank there.
Yes.
Tank number one. After this small tank is only for the ingredient. Ingredient is already conservator. My English is not good. I just
That's
try.
okay. No, you're doing very, very well.
This small tank is for the ingredient. After we mix the two, the tomato and the ingredient.
Yes.
After mixing, we have one homogenizing pump. This pump is homogenizing pump. Tomato, you know, we should fill it at 90 degrees.
Ah.
Before fill, we need to sterilize it.
Yes.
We have one boiler outside for the steam, and we pass by the sterilizer for sterilizing, heating the tomato up to 90 degrees.
Right.
After 90 degrees, we have one automatic valve to control this temperature.
Yes.
If it's okay, you open automatically for going to the different filling lines.
Right.
So these two machines are for sachet 70 grams, and the other for buckets, 1 kg and 5 kg buckets. We also have two machines for tins, metallic
Oh,
tins.
Okay.
But you know, metal is little expensive on the market now. That's why we start by plastic buckets.
Right.
It's not easy.
Yes.
But later we are going to start these two lines.
Right.
After filling, we need to chill it. That's why we
Okay.
have this cooling tunnel
Uh-huh.
with cold water. And at the end, we have our finished product in 40 degrees. 40 degrees at the end. That's the outlet. Tomato is coming inside.
There it is coming through chilled. Yes. And out the other end. Then it goes on. Ah. Once it's done the chilling, it comes along here. Brilliant. And how long does it take to go from the dumping one all the way round to here? How long
Yeah.
does it take?
How?
How long does it take to go
Not too many
all
times.
the way?
This one will take 30 minutes.
30 minutes,
And
yes.
there maybe 10 minutes for filling.
Ah.
But if it is cold, we need to take little bit time for heating. Like I tell you, we cannot fill it to less than 90 degrees. If not, we're going to have bacteria inside.
Yeah,
That's why
we
we
don't
need
want
to heat it up to 90 degrees before filling.
Before filling.
After filling, we need to cool it. That's why we pass by the tunnel.
Okay, brilliant. Here we go, factory production. And it's sealed.
Date and expiration date inside. Automatically on the dating machine there.
Right. Brilliant. This is the Gambia, folks. Yeah, this isn't China, this is the Gambia. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, I can see it filling over there.
We have the filling machine and the labeling. We're waiting
Sorry,
just
so
the
these are
blowing machine.
the filling machine and the what?
Labeling machine and
Labeling,
yes,
ah.
and the line. The water line is already here. We're just waiting the machine for blowing the bottles.
Right.
But we wait for starting this line. But it is already finished. I can start it.
Oh, this is great. This is where all the bottled water is going to be filled. Yeah, there he goes.
The bottles come from there by air blowing.
Right.
And after pushing back here. That's the rinsing for cleaning the bottles.
Yes.
Because we keep it in place this for cleaning with water.
Yes.
comes
Once
in.
it's been cleaned, it comes out and then
Yes.
goes round for filling. Ah. Okay.
This side is for filling.
Yes. So it's just been
The
cleaned. Now
filling
it's
is-
going to go around.
This side is
Yes.
for the
Get
the
filled.
yes.
And that side is for the cover. See? Oh, where's our water bottle gone? Oh, that's it. Speed it up a bit. Yay. There it is. Yes. And now it goes round.
And this side that's for
Puts
the
the
top.
cover on.
The top's coming from here.
Yes.
So then you got
Oh, if by that time you'll have the cover on and it'll be going along. Fantastic!
yes.
Brilliant! Whoa! Wonderful, wonderful. Where it gets filled. Brilliant. And it ends up in this bucket here. Great, great. So these two of these machines. Yeah. Where's it getting filled? I can see it's empty here.
Yes, the
Where-
tomato comes from
oh,
here.
it comes from here and
Okay,
it's
and
then filled in there.
here, here.
Oh.
This one is for the sealing.
Yeah, and then it's sealed
Sealed, yes.
and goes down.
85 seconds.
Oh, brilliant. This is brilliant. This is exactly what we want to see in Africa.
Africa, yes.
Oh my days, this is awesome. This is fantastic. Ready to be transported to the shops here in the Gambia.
After we put it by pack, it is hot. We wait tomorrow for cutting.
Ah,
Carton we put 50 inside.
and those are the boxes over
Yeah,
there that they'll get
boxes.
packed into tomorrow and then on the back of a truck
Yes, yes.
and on its way to the shops.
In the shops, yes.
Yeah, brilliant. Wonderful. Look out for this brand and support it. Yes. Packaged here in the Gambia.
Some tomato, yes.
Quality checked and controlled. All in compliance with the requirements. Brilliant, brilliant. And here we have the finished product. Mr. Ndo, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to show me around the factory.
You are welcome.
So how long have you been the factory manager here for?
2 years, huh?
For 2 years. And what have those 2 years working here been like for you?
We are trying to manage. Like I tell you, my English is
That's
so good.
okay.
I just try to speak English. Huh?
Yes, you do much better at speaking English than I could do speaking, you know, Wolof or Mandinka or whatever language you French. Oh, yeah. No, I don't even speak French.
Okay.
I can say bonjour. That's about it.
2 years we are here, we are managing, and we are going to help people to grow up, because we found many people with no good experience in factories, in tomato factory.
Yes.
And we have a little background on tomato factory.
Right.
Before here, I working in 15 years in tomato factory.
Oh,
And
excellent.
The two biggest one in Senegal.
Wow.
This one 8 years and the other one 7 years before coming here. And we are working with them, helping them to know the process, to know how to make tomato,
Yes.
good tomato. And alhamdulillah, we are on it.
Well done. Well, you know what? I don't think he could have found a better member of staff. Someone with so many 15 years experience in the
Yes, yes,
business.
yes.
Excellent, excellent. And how many staff do you manage here?
In the factory,
Yes.
normally inside the factory we have up to 50 workers.
50 workers.
Yes.
Fantastic. And does that include the workers for the water side of the factory as well?
Yes.
Yes, and they all come under
Marketing
you.
team and the workers in the water line and the tomato
Yes.
line.
Yes. Oh,
And soon
amazing.
we are going to improve this stuff, because we
Yeah.
are waiting this water line.
Yeah, so you're going to expand.
Expand,
Once
yes.
once the water line starts
Yes,
and the
water
production
line.
for the water starts,
We already buy
more
one
jobs.
machine for wrapping these buckets.
Yeah.
For putting on half tray carton and wrapping with plastic.
Okay.
We already buy this machinery.
Yes.
They will come with this water line.
Yes.
Soon.
Fantastic. That's really good. So I've just spotted something in this cabinet over here.
After the water, our next project is these two product. Huh? This one is hot pepper. We already have the design and all. It's our bottle for hot pepper. This one is ketchup. Inshallah, soon after starting this water line, we're going to focus on these two products.
Right. And where will you be getting your hot pepper from?
From Gambia, yes.
Hey,
from the farms.
from the farms in the Gambia.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this one,
Fantastic.
when we start the fresh tomato, we are going to take one part of the fresh tomato for making this ketchup.
Yeah.
All made in the Gambia. Huh?
Wonderful,
Promotion
wonderful.
from Gambia. This we have one partner who supplies tomato from Egypt, and we
The barbecue
Yes,
sauce.
but this one is barbecue sauce.
Uh-huh.
This one is hot sauce. This one is ketchup, and the other is mustard.
Yes.
We want in the future to start all these products, and
Yeah.
this one is mayonnaise also.
Ah.
We are working with them
Yes.
on this different product.
Yes.
But we're going to go step by step.
Yes.
After this, we're going to start this product. So
Right. And which one is the one from Egypt?
all this from
All,
Egypt.
all of those
Yes, all
lines.
this. That's the same company, yeah, you know.
Ah.
They are our partners. They are from Egypt.
Aha. Yeah, great. Okay, so there you go. We can always partner
Yes.
with people abroad rather than having them just supply the finished product. We partner with them to provide, you know, the raw materials and process it
Yes,
in
we want to
Africa.
process it here in Africa. Okay.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. I mean, I wish you every success, you know, in your job here with the training and development that you're going to be doing for the staff, with the expansion. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Keep up the great works.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now I want to thank you so much for your time. It's been brilliant. I've thoroughly enjoyed the tour around the factory.
Yes.
Thoroughly enjoyed the fact that you know, Gambia is producing its own tomato puree. It's got waterline and more coming on board soon as well.
Inshallah.
Wonderful. Inshallah.
Inshallah, yes.
Yeah. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye for now. We're going to go over to see the big man himself now. Yeah, see the boss.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. What a great interview. So good to see development, the development that's happening here in the Gambia. You know, who would have known that they've got great factories like this? Just goes to show, what's really happening in Africa. Not the sort of story that you're going to hear about on CNN or the BBC or those other places. Oh no. Yeah, we're bringing you the stories live and direct from the motherland.